Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.96. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a decline of 16.18%. This equates to an average loss of 1.01% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend downward. Initially, a stronger decline is indicated, though false breaks and sell-off events may occur. Nevertheless, a further decline is realistic, and any reactions back to the breaking point of $397.38 are seen as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $218.28 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend. But it is still too soon to say this definitively. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 11.52% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 7.62% to an increase of 34.01%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 8.45% decline. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from an increase of 8.18% to an increase of 43.88% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $411.78 and $547.68. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for UnitedHealth Group. The UnitedHealth Group stock price decreased by 1.27% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of May, 2025. The stock fell from $385.55 to $380.64. This marks 4 consecutive days of decline. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.12%, with a low of $378.54 and a high of $386.55. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 7 of those days and has fallen by 9.08% during this period. Trading volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, although this was accompanied by falling prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 8 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $2.88 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest was $378.54. Currently, the stock price stands at 39.65%, or $250.09, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. UnitedHealth Group Incorporated, trading under the symbol UNH, is currently facing significant legal challenges following a class action lawsuit filed on the 9th of May, 2025. This legal action stems from a troubling drop in the company's market capitalization, which saw a staggering $170 billion erased after disappointing first-quarter financial results and revised guidance for the fiscal year. The lawsuit targets investors who suffered losses on the company's securities between the 3rd of December, 2024, and the 16th of April, 2025, raising concerns about the company's operational transparency and financial health. In addition, multiple law firms are mobilizing to represent affected investors, amplifying the urgency surrounding this situation. Consequently, investor sentiment may take a hit in the short term as uncertainty weighs on the stock. Legal entanglements often lead to increased volatility, and in this case, the perception of risk associated with UNH could depress stock prices as investors react to the ongoing developments. In the long term, if UnitedHealth manages to navigate these legal challenges effectively and restore investor confidence, there's potential for recovery. The company's foundational strengths, including its robust position within the healthcare sector and its history of paying dividends, may offer resilience. However, the immediate fallout could pressure the stock, requiring careful monitoring of both legal outcomes and the company's strategic responses to mitigate further losses. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned a hold rating to UNH with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned a buy rating to UNH with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned an overweight rating to UNH with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned an outperform rating to UNH with a hold action. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Stephens assigned an overweight rating to UNH with a hold action. Analysts have given UnitedHealth Group stock a general neutral rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of UnitedHealth Group is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal is present, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may arise at levels of $393.88 and $483.24. A breakthrough above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, April 11, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 36.5%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's take a closer look at the support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. The stock exhibits high volatility throughout the day, and with an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to carry very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $8.01 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a movement of 2.12%. Looking back over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.40%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a lack of confidence in the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $6.28. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $425.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the first day of April 2025, John H. Noseworthy conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the first day of April 2025, Frederick William McNabb III conducted an insider purchase of 183 shares of common stock. On the first day of April 2025, Paul R. Garcia conducted an insider purchase of 60 shares of common stock. On the first day of April 2025, Paul R. Garcia also conducted an insider purchase of 108 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 56.146. Overall, insiders purchased 273,529 shares and sold 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? Currently, UnitedHealth Group is showing several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. This leads us to believe that it will likely continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is unfavorable. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we anticipate that UnitedHealth Group will open higher by $1.27, starting at $381.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.